Look around and you'll see that the Venetians, who made everything in this display, were incredibly clever glassmakers. They could turn their hand to just about anything, even to making fruit.
I guess they got tired of making glasses and vases and bowls and decided to make something fun instead, like these citrus fruits.
They're attractive, they're decorative, and they're meant to be suspended. They're a little bit like ornaments.
I'd use their curly leaves to hang them on a Christmas tree.
The Venetian glassblowers were very proud of their glass. They called it cristallo.
Isn't that the Italian word for crystal?
Exactly. They thought of it as just about the best glass you could possibly make.
The King of Denmark must have thought so too, because after he went to visit Venice, he bought a huge collection of expensive Venetian glass.
Where did he keep it all?
He took them back to Denmark and built a special room in the royal palace to display his glass. And we're lucky to have 3 pieces that are just like those pieces that the King of Denmark took home.
If you want to see some really impressive fruit, keep your eyes wide open as you're walking around the museum, and you'll find a bowl of gigantic glass fruit. See if you can find it.